Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. This repairs today, I'm going to show you how to repair this designer pop bulbs. We're using it to design our parlors, but this particular one is not working. It just got burned, but I don't want to throw it away. I also want, I want to make it as useful for me. Let me see what I can able to do inside. So please stay tuned if you want to watch how I will repair it. It's a ordinary bulbs, but there are so many bulbs inside. You can work it the way you like it. You can throw it away, but you can also work this in case you need it in a particular project. So I just want to work it. I don't want to throw this away, but it's very useful. Watch it to the end and learn some things for here, the way I will work them. If you are new here, please subscribe for my YouTube channel and don't forget to press the notification button. Thank you as you do so. This particular bulbs is using direct light. We connect it to the electricity directly. So I'm testing it with my power source, but still it's not working. But I will try to look into it and see what actually happens. So stay tuned. In this kind of situation, you have to look each and every bulb. Some might be dead, so we need to find out which of them burned, because they have the same connection. They work in form of diode, so we have to find them. Then I've gotten one. Any bulb that you see they have a dark spot on his face, that bulb has been damaged. So the way to you look for them, and anyone that you are seeing, you have to condemn it for make others to light up. Then as you can see, let me use my box to remove So far of my research, I've gotten about 3 bulbs that is not working, that have a dark spot on his face. So I have to remove them one after the other. Remove them one after the other. Then after remove it, then you will bridge the gap together before you make sure that the other bulb may light. Remove the bad ones among them and get the result. Look it towards another one. This other one too is using my Siri workstation to remove it. This particular next to it must be removed also. He also have a dark spot on his face, on the surface of the bulb. removing them one after the other. Anyone that is dark spot, remove it to ensure that everywhere is clear. After removing all the bulbs that is found guilty, use your soldering to bypass each of every space that is given. You check the one that you have already removed, you bypass them to make sure that the current flow within the good bulbs, others will work very fine. Try it and see. And this is what I'm doing now. Remember, there's a mistake I did here. After bypassing all this bulb, you may not put it on your electricity directly, and this is what I did, and it damaged some of the bulbs again. It flashed and returned back. So some bulb damage, and this has even caused more harm to the light bulb. But I will show you that I will able to use choke. This choke resistor is one of the best way to handle. And look at what I've gotten. So many bulbs has been damaged by using electricity directly. But so I use choke resistors to light this bulb after removing the burnt damaged bulb, light bulb. Choke resistor is the best answer after doing all these experiments. So try choke resistor. Then we watch where I connect my choke resistor, and this is what I got. After all my little errors that I did so far, but I'm able to light the lamp back with my choke resistors, and you're able to light up. But some of the bulbs are not still working with my research, but I don't know what's happened, but some of the bulbs are not working. But the majority of the bulb light up, and then this is one of the results that I'm going to use it for my project. My project will still be on. It's not that bad. It's still useful for my project. So, but you watch the way I go through the process. But the mistake I do by putting it direct to electricity, that is what causes some of the damage. But with this, it's okay. Hope you enjoy watching this video.